What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to delete your Gmail account. To do so, you can do it on your phone through the Gmail app or on your browser on the Gmail website. Here in this video I'll do it on the phone. So what you want to do is to open the Gmail app on your iPhone or Android phone, and from here tap on your personal photo and on the top right corner here. Then tap on manage your Google account. It'll open your Google account settings page. You want to select data and privacy. Then scroll to the very bottom. You'll see here an option to delete your Google account. So if I select it, it'll ask me to enter my password for confirmation. So I'll go ahead and do this. And once I do, it'll ask me first if I want to do a download. And once I do, it'll ask me first if I want to download my data before deleting so that I can save my data. And it'll tell me that along with my Gmail, my Drive, my Google Drive, along with all the files in it, my Gmail and all the mail in it, my photos, my Google Photos account with all photos, my YouTube account, my calendar, all my informations and linked Google services will be deleted permanently. So if I want to do this, I just check these two boxes and then click on delete account at the bottom. And once I do, my Google account and Gmail account will be deleted.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.